Hey, where'd you get the seesaw, Jack?
Oh, from JoJo.
For what?
For my birthday.
For your birthday? How old are you now?
3.
3? You're a big boy. Soph, how old are you?
4.5.
And when's your birthday?
October 16th.
And how old are you going to be?
5.
Cool.
I put them right now. So I send a picture to you. Okay, Daddy?
You want to send a picture to me?
Yeah.
With your camera?
Yeah.
Careful, Sophie's not holding on.
I could ride without holding on. Lisa, Lisa. I could go on without holding on. I mean, look like me. Look, I'm tall. Come on, Jack, stand up. What? Sit down. Sit down.
Jack, why don't you sit on the seat? It might feel better.
Sit.
Maybe if you get up, he can get on the seat.
Sit.
Jack, you're not seesawing the right way.